If you only have the emotional and the spiritual conversation with your pet, but you don't have the physical communication, you may not see the need to take specific actions, nor recognize this as a wake-up call that changes need to be addressed. Likely you will sense or have a knowingness, yet continue to be unaware or ignore the signs that there is a lesson to be worked through. So what do I mean by that? It can be that you are very sensitive to energy, and have you experienced whereby you might find yourself saying, I really sense something's not quite right with them. I sense that they're not their usual bubbly self, or I sense that there is low mood with them. And then you look at the spiritual aspect. You might say energetically what's going on with you, and you might look at the link between the emotion and the spiritual aspect. But because there isn't any physical trigger or something tangible for you to take a decision, we tend not to act on something unless physically it's actually causing us a disturbance. An example of when we are sensed, when we are a little unwell, because it first happens in our energetic field, or it might affect our mood first. You might start off having a bit of a low mood, and you might go, oh, well, I'll get over it tomorrow. I'm just having a low mood today. And then you might connect that low mood to something specific, like you might go, actually, that low mood tells me that there may be something going on with the energy of my immunity. My immunity feels a little low, but because you are not showing any physical symptoms, you're not having a cold, you don't have aches and pains, we tend as human beings to go, oh, it'll be okay tomorrow. So you may find that if you communicate with your pet more around the emotional and the spiritual, but you don't bring in the physical, it might actually be left in terms of taking specific actions.